More snow, lots more snow. Apparently it was over 26 inches in the drifting today because the wind picked up to high mileage yesterday. So, this is what we got. Looks like confetti falling from the sky. Look at that. Thick, and it's big flakes, and it's very white. Camera can't handle this whiteness. That's the bushes. That's the example right here of how much snow got drifted on the porch. A lot of it got shoveled off, though. And a great example would be right here from the tree I posted yesterday. Look at that. It's completely covered. That is completely covered right there. That is at least 12 inches of snow, if not more. Oh my god. Look at the stairs now. I can't even see the wood on them. The roof. Icicles, of course. Why wouldn't there be icicles? And it's so thick. Look at the pole. You can barely even see the pole over there. It's going under. And apparently, today's Friday, it's ending Sunday. I'll be lucky if my house is not underneath the snow. Alright, well, this is it for now. Funny example right here of how deep it is. As everyone knows, I have a dachshund named Eli, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's little trudging prints in the snow. He goes completely under when he steps in it. He is so tiny, the snow engulfs him. Oh no. Oh no, a bird. What you're seeing now is a bird that got buried in the snow, and more than likely by the looks of it, it's dead. That's horrible. Oh, the poor thing. It did hit I think that's the one that hit the window. Yeah, look at the feathers there. Oh, that's heartbreaking. I'm sure he broke more though. Oh, the poor thing. Alright, well, giant icicle. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, that's about it. I'll keep you updated, guys, on the blizzard of 2010, at least the second blizzard of 2010. Alright, well, that is all. Bye-bye.